Thank you for coming back for another stimulus update. Okay, I got a couple of things to talk about, but I'm going to ask you to please watch this video all the way through. I've got some important stuff to tell you. Okay, will we get another stimulus check? I think we will. Congress is going back in to Washington on the 4th. Where they've been, who knows? In a time like this, they need to be in Washington working every day. But the stimulus packages will be the first thing on their desk. First thing they're going to be working on. And they have two choices. I know they've got several bills that they're going to choose from and play their political games. But anyway, they've got two choices to make. They can either send out another stimulus check for the people that needs it and prop them up a little bit, or they could completely open the country back up. None of this opening up little pockets of places. Open the country back up and everybody get back to work and say no more stimulus checks. I'm kind of leaning towards opening the country back up. But will we get another stimulus check? Yeah, most likely we will. Okay. Now, the way I feel about this whole thing, and I know there's going to be people out there that don't agree because they like getting the checks. They like getting money for nothing. I do too, but not at the risk of bankrupting the country. Sure, they can print money all day long. They can just crank it out. But what good is that? That's just getting us deeper and deeper into debt. The left is, well, I'll just say it, the Democrats keeps putting out all of these crazy spending bills with all these crazy numbers in it. Their agenda is to bankrupt the country. And they're on fast track to doing that. Then they can sit back and point the finger at Donald Trump and say it was his fault. This whole shutdown, this whole stimulus thing, this whole COVID thing is just a political game. They could not impeach him, so they're doing this to make him look bad. I mean, he had everything going good. He had unemployment down so low. He had the stock market up so high. He had everything going great, and then at a flip of a switch, it was all gone. They are playing him like a puppet. They're going to bankrupt the country with all these crazy spending bills that they're trying to get passed. Because right now, nobody wants to be the person that says no to helping people. It's an election year. Nobody wants to be that person to say no. So they put all these bills out there because they know something will get passed, furthering their agenda to bankrupt the country and to make Donald Trump look bad. People, don't buy into their tactics. Don't be lazy. The country does not owe you anything. You owe the country everything. Get back to work. Let's open this country back up all the way. Quit playing these pussyfooting games around and just open up all the way. Let's go back to work. I have never heard of any country quarantining everybody because a few people are sick. Why don't we quarantine the sick people and let the well people get on with their life? That's just my take on it. I think we need to reopen up all the way and get back to work. Until tomorrow, I love y'all. Come back tomorrow.